Hello everyone, you might think these bottles are just for drinks, but I'll prove they can bring you crystal clear TV signals without any monthly fees. You're about to see how I turn trash into treasure, and you can too. I'll take one of the cork caps and my drill. I'm carefully drilling a hole right through the center of the cork. This hole is crucial because it will allow us to insert a small bolt, which will serve as a secure anchor point for our antenna components. I'm doing the same for the second cork cap, drilling a clean hole right through the middle. Having two identical prepared corks is essential for the symmetrical design of our antenna, ensuring balanced signal reception. Next, I'm taking a small bolt and passing it through the drilled hole in the cork. Then, I'll secure it on the inside with a nut. This bolt will act as the primary connection point for the antenna elements, so it needs to be firmly in place to ensure good conductivity and stability. This step is vital to prevent any loosening or movement of the bolt, which could affect the performance of our homemade antenna. A snug fit guarantees a robust connection. I'm repeating the process for the second cork. I'll insert a bolt, secure it with a nut, and then use my pliers to tighten it firmly. Consistency in these steps is key to making sure both halves of the antenna function optimally and look aesthetically pleasing. Now that both corks have their bolts securely fastened, I'm screwing the second modified cork cap onto the second Coca-Cola bottle. We now have two identical bases. I'm taking these two lengths of copper wire. These will be the primary elements for capturing the TV signals. I'll start by attaching one end of the first copper wire to the exposed bolt on the first bottle's cork. I'm bending and twisting the wire around the bolt to ensure a strong electrical and physical connection. Using my pliers, I'm tightening the wire connection on the bolt even further. A tight connection is paramount for optimal signal transfer, minimizing any loss or interference. You want this to be as solid as possible, almost an extension of the bolt itself. Now, I'm doing the same for the second bottle. I'm attaching one end of the second copper wire to its bolt, twisting it securely. This creates the symmetrical wings of our antenna. These wires act as the reception points, so their placement and connection are critical. Again, I'm using the pliers to ensure this second wire connection is very tight and stable. Any loose connections can significantly degrade the antenna's performance. Here's the magic ingredient, a spark plug. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I remove the metal cap from the top of the spark plug. This is where our electrical connection will be made. I take the spark plug and attach its exposed terminal to the bent wire hook on the first bottle's cork. I then use pliers to twist the wire firmly around the spark plug to create a good, solid electrical contact. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now, I repeat the process, attaching a second spark plug to the prepared bolt on the second Coca-Cola bottle. Just like before, I secure it tightly with pliers to ensure an excellent electrical connection. At this point, both bottles have their spark plugs firmly in place. I take a red insulated wire and strip one of its ends. I connect one end of this red wire to the outer bolt on the first bottle, twisting it firmly. I secure it tightly by twisting it with pliers for a strong connection. I then meticulously wrap this entire red wire around the body of the first Coca-Cola bottle, creating a dense coil. This coil will act as a primary receiver, capturing broadcast signals. To secure the coil shape and position, I apply hot glue once the winding is complete. I repeat this process for the second bottle using a white insulated wire, connecting it to the bolt and wrapping it neatly around the bottle, then securing it with hot glue. These coils are crucial for effective signal reception. Again, I'm applying hot glue to firmly attach the wrapped white wire to the neck of the second bottle. This completes the primary structure of our dual bottle antenna. These bottles are really taking on a new purpose. I take a small wooden block, which will serve as our base. I apply hot glue generously to the bottom of the first Coca-Cola bottle and firmly attach it to the wooden block. I make sure it's centered and stable. Then, I apply hot glue to the bottom of the second Coca-Cola bottle and attach it to the other side of the wooden block, ensuring it's evenly spaced from the first bottle. This creates a sturdy foundation for our antenna. I'm taking this small electrical connector, which will join all our wires together neatly. I stripped the insulation off one end of the red wire and one end of the white wire. Then I tightened the screws to secure them. After applying hot glue to its base, carefully fix it to the center of the wooden plank between the bottles. This terminal block will serve as our central hub for all the incoming and outgoing electrical connections, keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Now, I'm preparing the USB cable. I'm carefully stripping the outer insulation to expose the internal wires. In this project, I only need white and black wire, so I will use pliers to cut off the remaining wires. I carefully strip off the outer insulation to expose the internal wires. I connect the exposed wires from the USB cable into the appropriate terminals on the block, tightening them securely. The simple design makes it incredibly easy to power up. Here is our completed homemade antenna. Now for the grand reveal. The TV screen is currently blank, indicating no signal. I plug the USB cable into a power adapter, and then plug the adapter into a wall outlet. This energizes our homemade antenna, preparing it to pick up signals. I plug the antenna's signal cable into the TV's antenna input. And just like that, channels start coming in clear. You can see the TV immediately springs to life, displaying a clear picture. This simple DIY antenna is working perfectly, bringing in channels with excellent clarity. Who knew soda bottles could do this? I can even effortlessly switch between channels, demonstrating the amazing effectiveness of this simple DIY project. Look how perfectly it changes channels and provides a clear picture. To prove it's the antenna doing the work, I'm unplugging it from the wall. Notice how the TV instantly loses its signal and displays no signal. It just shows you the magic of this little device. Watch closely as I reconnect it. And just like that, the signal returns instantly. It's incredible how effective this simple setup is. No more blurry screens or missing your favorite shows. This antenna provides consistent, clear reception for multiple channels. I'm grabbing the TV remote now, and I'll cycle through a few channels to demonstrate the solid signal quality. Every channel comes in clear and crisp. I'm quite pleased with the results. And there you have it. A perfectly working TV antenna made from simple soda bottles. No more blurry screens or expensive cable bills. I hope you found this DIY project useful and inspiring. If you did, please hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below letting me know what other amazing things you'd like to see me build next. Your support means the world to me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.